Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ina and today I'm going to show you the before and after of our dining room. And this is the picture we took when we first toured the house. And as you guys could see, it had like this crazy dark borders and I really hated it. I mean, the floor was amazing. So the walls were kind of like a darkish gray, kind of blue tint to it. And the side, on the side right there, you guys could see some shells that were dark too. I really, this house has kind of like a low ceilings. Then pretty much regular ceilings, but on the low side. So those dark borders were making it worse. Like it really was feeling small in the house and claustrophobic and kind of dark because it had a big tree outside. So already there was no light in the house. But after we cut down the tree, we changed so much. It finally was letting in so much more light. That made me so happy. So yeah, this is like the before of this. Just take a look at it, and it looks. If you guys could see that this was a living room. They had a TV in here. They had I'm not sure what they actually had like a TV in one chair here. But that was their living room. And after a while, we made that a living room too. But we switched it to our dining room, and it's perfect. I can't wait to show you guys. So had dark curtains, and this borders were like this ugly brown color. I hated that color. The floor is nice. It's nice wooden color, but that brown was ugh. It had so much brown in this house. The oh yeah, I did not like it at all. All right, so we start painting everything white just because how dark everything was. And I painted all the borders, all the gloss, and the wall kind of matte just because like I wanted to stand out a little bit from each other. I'm sure it would have looked if I had some kind of difference, but I just went out and just did everything white because I just you guys could see it's literally everything white. But after you decorate and the floor stands out, that's when it actually looks so good. Maybe eventually we'll add a color between those borders to kind of make it stand out. But as of now, honestly, I like it so much. You guys will see it. And we had this weird bar on the side. I'll show you guys when I'll do a tour of the living room. But we had a sink right in the middle of the hall. So we just wanted to get rid of that sink too, just because we didn't need a bar in the middle of, like when you walk in and you see that bar section. So we just wanted to clear that up. And now let's see the after and see what happened. I'll be describing everything in the dining room and where we got it from, so you can get it for yourself as well and get inspired for a good makeover of your dining or living room space. All right, so this is the dining room, and it used to be someone's kind of living room. And this is the overlook first. And I'll walk around, tell you everything where I got it from. So let's start with the rug. The rug is from Costco, and I absolutely love it. It has this color of brown, gray, so it kind of matches our floor, wooden floor. Amazing. I absolutely love it because how much you cannot see anything on this. You cannot. It's so perfect, especially if you have a pet or hairs. Like you cannot see anything. I absolutely love it. Like I don't think I have vacuumed it for a while and you cannot see anything going on here. Okay, Let's go with these. This is the curtains from IKEA. My favorite. Also, this is from IKEA too, a mirror. I always wanted that big mirror. And, oh, this guy has to be here. Unfortunately, he's very sad because we didn't water it for a week, and it was super hot inside the house when we left for vacation. And unfortunately, it literally like did this, and we're trying to revive it. Okay, so this beautiful, huge, this is very, very big. This is from IKEA too. So a lot of things are from IKEA from here, if you would know. But let's go here. These lovely plants and the hanger is from Marshall's. This was so exciting because I always wanted like little hanging plants because my plants don't survive. This one was a gift. Kind of gift. We're just kind of actually holding for somebody. They're moving and we're holding it for we're talking about half a year. We're gonna hold on to this or more. All right, and this lovely plants. Can I guys tell you something about these? This is super, super awesome. If you love alive plants, like live greenery, this is, and you want this to last up to 1 year of this beautiful greenery, all you have to do is buy this. I found these at Safeway. Sometimes they come with roses. You just get them from, either they're by themselves or they're inside a rose bouquet. But if you put them in the water, they will literally last you a year. The water, I barely have to change it. Maybe every 2-3 months I change the water or add it, you know, when it's all gone. But they are literally like green forever, up literally over a year. I know I say literally too much, but yeah, this is like amazing. And I'm trying to find more so I could have them around the house because they're super easy to upkeep. They don't just fade and it's alive. Okay, so this was from IKEA. This is not our pictures. This is so sad. We haven't posted our wedding pictures yet. This was a gift, and this is a little set from IKEA as well. All right, on this one, this lovely, lovely table and chairs are from Wayfair. Wayfair. Very big, easy to clean. Also, these chairs, very comfortable. It doesn't they don't like sink in a way like you don't, it's very, very comfortable chairs, and they don't stab you in your knees, like kind of don't cut out blood flow. And I love them. They have been holding up very good. Some people complain that the edges kind of rip apart, or no, sometimes. These has been holding up really well. The table is awesome. Very easy to clean, very easy to keep up. Very big, so we usually could fit like 1, 2, 3, so 6, 7, 8 people easily. This is very, very wide. And this is the tour. I'm so happy. With the help of my friend, I was able to switch around even how it looks like. Oh yeah, the plant in the middle, also a gift. We're just, not a gift, we're just holding it for about half a year till they move. And yeah, and what I was gonna say is that like one of my friends helped me set this up. This used to be actually a living room, but we switched it to dining room and it's so perfect. It looks like it's always meant to be here. Always meant. So now our living room is in the middle, and I could do a separate video for the living room and give you guys a tour before and after of the living room. But for now, it's just the dining room. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. I'll see you in the next video.